Il-Gvern qed jibqa' maqtuħ mir-realtajiet tan-nies bil-Ministru tal-Finanzi qiegħed saħansitra jistqar li mhuwiex inkwetat bl-inflazzjoni li bħalissa qed taffettwa lil kulħadd.
Even though things are increasing over here, even though wages will have to be compensated for that amount, nevertheless, in terms of relativity, no, we're going to fare better relative to Europe. So that does not worry me at all.
Il-ġimgħa filgħodu Clyde Caruana kien qed jindirizza business breakfast organizzat mit-Times of Malta bit-tema prinċipali tkun il-budget li se jitressaq fi ftit tal-ġimgħat oħra. Bl-istess Ministru spiċċa jikkontradixxi lilu nnifsu dwar l-għolli tal-ħajja għaliex f'nifsi jgħid li mhuwiex inkwetat imbagħad jistqar li din qed taffettwana direttament.
Inflation doesn't only affect businesses though, it affects ordinary people on the street, consumers.
It affects everyone. It affects everyone. It is a reality that, of course, it is there, it is biting hard.
Clyde Caruana stqar li d-daqqa tal-inflazzjoni hija maratona li mhux se tispiċċa malajr.
What we're going to have is not a sprint, but it's likely to be a marathon that's going to last for months, if not years.
Għalkemm imbagħad fl-istess nifs stqar li l-problema tal-għolli tal-ħajja mhux se ddum daqstant.
It won't keep on going on for years.
Fl-istess business breakfast Caruana assigura li Malta mhux se tispiċċa f'riċessjoni.
I don't envisage that we will have a recession.
Imbagħad il-Ministru tal-Finanzi Clyde Caruana tefa' parti mill-ħtija fuq in-negozji għal fatt li fl-aħħar xhur rajna żidiet fil-prezzijiet ta' prodotti bażiċi.
There are certain sectors which are abusing, and I mean they are making sure that what they lost throughout COVID, they make up for it now, given that everyone is increasing prices.
Dwar is-sikkar ta' ċintonin fil-fondi tal-Università ta' Malta, Clyde Caruana ħareġ jattakka t-tmexxija tal-Università fejn skontu iż-żieda fl-infiq matul is-snin stajna għaddejna mingħajrha. Bil-Ministru indika li hemm ħafna aktar flus li kapaċi jinqatgħu mill-Università ta' Malta.
The University of Malta way back in 2013 they had 50.6 million. 50.6 million. Now that has gone up to 90 million. Don't tell me that from 90 million you can find some savings.
Clyde Caruana semma wkoll is-settur ambjentali fejn qal li l-kostruzzjoni qed tħalli impatt fuq l-istil tal-ħajja ta' kulħadd, iżda anke hawn ma offra ebda soluzzjonijiet konkreti.
There needs to be better enforcement and better management from certain authorities in order to spend their money wisely.
Meta kien qed jindirizza lil dawk preżenti, il-Ministru ammetta li fl-aħħar snin kien hemm żieda fin-numru ta' ħaddiema li daħlu mal-Gvern.
Government employment has increased over the past years. I would say that it has increased quite at a constant rate over the years.
U dwar l-Malta Caruana baqa' jwaħħal f'taqablu fejn qal li din il-kumpanija ħliet 70 miljun euro f'esperimentazzjoni ta' destinazzjonijiet li ma kinux qed irrendu. Dan fil-waqt li qal li l-pagi li kienu qed jieħdu l-ħaddiema kienu eżaġerati.
We simply cannot have a company which pays not just one category, two categories of employees, 2/3 of the wages until they reach retirement age for 10 years. It simply does not make sense. There's a price that needs to be paid for past mistakes. It won't be pain-free.
Maria Franca Lanza, Annet News.